board members to please come on the dais. The delegate of United Nations Organization on Drugs and Crime, Chairperson Andrea. Co-Chairperson Rishabh. Chairperson of Social and Humanitarian Committee, Rutvik Vedantam, the Chairperson. Subhash, the Co-Chairperson. Chairperson of World Trade Organization, Abhinav. Co-Chairperson, Nitin. The Chairperson of Disarmament and Security Committee, Dhruv. And Co-Chairperson, Saurav. Chairperson of UNDP, Rohan. Co-Chairperson, Nushika. Continuous Crisis Committee, Chairperson Sarvesh Gupta. Co-Chairperson Vanya Kapoor Achutan. And now, the unconventional committee, but yet one of the most important committees, the All India Political Parties meet, Chairperson Chinmaya, Co-Chairperson Nikhil. And to now, the wing which is considered as the fourth most significant wing of the Indian government, but here it's the international press, the editor-in-chief Anusha, and the co-editor-in-chief Anya. So this is the executive board for the JIRS Model United Nations 3.0. Huge round of applause, delegates. With this, we will be your executive board. We want to create a conference that gets better together. Let's do this. Before I conclude with a huge, let's show me how much voice you have got. Bolo Bharat Mata ki Jai! One day. Thank you very much, delegates.